Hello guys, uh, let's have some code today. So welcome to my channel, Coding Mantra. So today we are going to solve the unique Morse code words problem, which is today's 17 August LeetCode challenge. So what is given this problem? It is given that International Morse code defines a standard encoding in which letter is mapped to a series of dot and dashes. For example, A here is mapped to dot and minus sign. B is mapped to minus dot dot dot. C is mapped to minus dot and so on. So basically, we are also given the full table for the 26 letters of the English alphabet as follows. Here it is A, B, C, D, E, F, G like this. So basically these are 26 letters encoded in a symbol form, in a dotted and dashes form. So what we have to do now? Now we have to return we will be given a string of words, uh, and these strings are stored in an array. So we are given an array of string words, and what we have to do? We have to do a concatenation of the Morse code of each letter. And what we have to do, we have to return the transformation among all words we have. So we let's see the example. So in the example, what it defines, words equals to gin, zan, gig, msg. So if we transform these words, so basically if we transform these words in this following pattern by adding this, for example, here G defines according to the order we will see in the next slide. So basically what we are going to do, we are going to extract this words letter symbol and append it with I and N symbol. So this is our required symbol, which is found by dotted and dashes. Similarly Z, we have used the same thing, gig, msg. So the thing is that gig and zen are equal. Basically, their both symbols are equal, are showing equal, and gigs and MSG symbols are showing equals. If we use these this array to make these symbols by using these words, okay. So if we want to now we have to return the number of different transformation. For example, these two are same, so there is we will only count only one transformation which is different, and this is also same, so we will count one. Similarly, here is given our words a and 1. So basically what we have to do, we have to find out the difference transformation. Suppose the symbol of this word is would be different, and this word would be different, this word would be different. So basically if the four symbols that uh, that we found by using this array is different, so what we will do, we will return the simply answer 4. But here these two are same, these two are same, so how many different transformation did we get? So we get only two different transformations. Now let's understand this problem. So basically this problem is very simple. We have to simply append these according to these order. For example, this one is for A, this one is for B, C, D, E, F, G. So basically this is for G. If we will append, let I will show you this one symbol. So what we will going to do, we are going to find out the gin symbol. So basically what we will do, we will firstly compare this value from the, for example, we get the G symbol here, so dash dash and dot. Now G H I, so this is I, so double dot I J K L M N, so this one N. So one dash and dot. So this is the answer, and this is the answer. So I think you have clearly seen these both are same. Double dash, triple dot, dash dot. Double dash, triple dot, dash dot. So we are finding the symbol values by using these array from these words, and we have to find out the difference transformation. Okay, now how will we do? So you know that the set in set duplicates are not allowed. So basically we will use a set to store the strings of these dotted and dashes symbols, which is formed from this one, and find out the length of the set. So basically this problem is very simple to do. Now what we are going to do, we will find out. Now we will let's do some code. Now let's simply copy this array. Let's simply copy this array. So paste. Okay. Now we will define a set. Basically, if you were a Python coder, if you know Python, then you will also you will also know about the set. And if you are from C++ or Java or any other background, then you can do it. If you know, I will be telling the institution basically. So just listen my institution. So what will we do? We will iterate through the words for word arrays of the for W in words. It is iterating through these words. Then it will take like this. So for W in words, then we will append when we will take a empty string. For what? For making these strings from these arrays, and then we will store it inside the set. This set. So for L in W. So what we are going to do, firstly I have iterated through this string, through this array. Firstly again, then I have iterated inside these strings. For example, it will firstly take G, add the symbol, then I and add the symbol in this val, and simply we will add this into the set, and it will be initialized with each new word. Okay, so val append what the order of L minus order of A. So basically what it will do, it will minus the order of A with the order of L. So what it will give? It will give the number of letter. For example, if there is a C, so what will we do? It will give the, if we will ordinance of C minus ordinance of A letter, what it will give? It will give what? It will give three answers. 1, 2, 3. So it will give the basically the position of the position of 0, 1, 2. It will give 2 basically. So it will give the order. It will give the index of that particular array. We will find out the difference of these. Now what we will do? We will simply add it into the set. This string. Okay. Now what will we do? We will simply return the length of set. So this problem, we have solved this problem. It's very easy. Firstly, what here I have done, I have stored this symbol into an empty string and added that symbol particularly into a set, and then return the length of set. So simple. It's quite easy problem. I don't know why it get a lot of dislikes, but I would say that it is a good problem to know your fundamentals. So thank you and have a nice day. And if you like my uh, content, or if you like this explanation, then please like, share, and please comment down any suggestion or any good wishes to you. Thank you and have a nice day.